Sass, and you are tuned into the Granny Bees Chalking channel. You know how it goes. I'm Roxy.
And I'm Yolande, and today we are going to let you in on a little secret. So we all know the granny and we all love the granny. She's the original, she's kind, friendly to the environment, water-based, low in VOCs. And then there is her son,
Pappa G.
The Pappa G's got a beautiful range that complements the Granny Bees range, and today we're going to start with the Gilders paste. Comes in these cute little glass tubs. We've got 8 colors, also working on some new ones coming soon. Just want to show you what it looks like. So there you go. You can either apply this with your finger, with a brush, some people use makeup brushes, or a lappy. If you don't like what you did, you can remove it with turps and a lappy within an hour of applying it. But best is to do it after sealing your project. So once your project's sealed, you can use this, and it works well for edges and grooves, and also for some shading techniques. It really gives it a unique touch to your project. Let me just show and tell a bit. So over here we've got our blues. It's the Aruba, Bahama and Bermuda range. At the top there you'll see the Aruba. And then we've got the gold and the bronze and the rosy. So it really is spectacular. It gives a very nice look, shine to your already beautiful project.
Continuing with the Pappa G's range, which is just as naughty as Pappa G himself, I want to introduce to you Pappa G's waxes, which come in these adorable little tins, 250 mils as well as 500 mils. They also come in a variety of colors, which include clear, black, white, antique dark, which has brown tones to it, and then our 2 metallics, gold and pearl. These waxes are best suited for projects which are not going to be exposed to weather conditions, very light traffic, and no heat. These waxes can also be used to seal your project. Let me show you some examples. Over here you can see our gold and metallics. They also have a little bit of a shimmer, which is stunning. And then this one is the antique dark, which I said has brown tones to it. You can see nicely there, as well as the black.
Well, Roxy, I think they've got it waxed now.
And on that note, cheers.